Raja Ampat is yet another example of one of Papua's lost worlds, where isolation has resulted in the evolution of the extraordinary. Each morning, one of the island's rarest inhabitants goes on display. The red bird of paradise is only found on 4 tiny islands in the archipelago, getting its name from its glossy red tail, out of which its central feathers have evolved into a striking pair of twisted, shiny black ribbons. Like all of Papua's birds, it loves to be seen. Males gather in display trees during the breeding season to perform an elaborate courtship ritual. The dance is aimed at attracting a mate. But despite his best efforts, the morning's show goes unnoticed. He'll have to try his luck again tomorrow.